Hey guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily use Apple Pay in iPhone 14. So what do you want to do in Apple iPhone 14 to use Apple Pay? So here it's pretty straightforward and pretty simple. Let's say I'm going for search here and I'm going for Apple Pay. Apple Wallet. And here, get started with Apple Pay. And what you need to do is simply click add here. So edit credit word, and you're gonna have like previous cards that I have like from my old iPhone. And what you want to do here is like simply, let's say, add a travel card or debit and credit card. And then you're gonna choose a bank here that you have. And let's say I have, I don't know, Bitpanda. Okay, continue. And then what you would do, use like zoom the card. I'm not going to show you my card, of course, but this is how you can simply do it. You can always like choose different card here. So let's get, it's going to be Revolut card, right? And what you can do is you can get Revolut app to Apple Pay. So I'm going to open Revolut application and I can easily do it, right? So that's the first way how you can do it. The second way also is how you can do it is when you go back here and choose a different, let's say TransferWise. Again, I would press continue and then you would simply have a card in front of you and then you would like zoom in on it. Then another part of it and you're good to go. And this is how you can easily do it. And then when you will be paying, what you have to do is just like take the phone and when there's going to be like for card paying a terminal, you just like touch it with it a little bit and it will scan it and you're good to go. So this is how you can easily use the Apple Pay. And yeah, thank you very much guys for watching and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.